Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Jay. We are back in the shop. We're going to do an unboxing of a future project. So without further ado, let's get to it. Now, we're going to play with sharp objects. No, I'm just kidding. We're doing an unboxing. I found a smoking deal on an old, what was listed as a vintage Craftsman 14-inch plane, which I'm really excited to use on the next guitar build. All right. At least I hope this is what this is. Oh, Lucky Charms. Look, I found my Lucky Charms. I like that. Somebody with a sense of humor. These are good stuff. Got some weight to it. Oh, dude. Oh, it's beautiful. What a beautiful piece of rust. Oh, the handles don't look cracked. The frog looks decent. Oh man, I cannot wait to make this pretty. That is going to be a fun restoration. And dude, that's a nice piece of equipment. You can get some register on that. This is going to be hopefully used on the next guitar build. And Craftsman tools right there. I'm going to have to look this up, see if I can figure out the year. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. And this was, some of these I've seen online used are in the hundreds of dollars. I think I got a screaming deal on this. I think it was $35, which is kind of absolutely insane, but I'm loving it. So yeah. This is going to be a future resto project for us. All right, guys. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell, smash the like button because that'll help our algorithm. And if you have any comments, questions, put them in the comments below. Until next time, see ya!